Hi, it's Kana. Welcome back. If you are new here, then welcome. I am filming a bunch of updates today for Project Pants, so you might see this look again, and I'm not mad about it. So if you're wondering, it came from my NYX and Sabrina palette that I'm using for hashtag no pan left behind. I used this one, which is Dark Baptism. I used Limbo. I used Dark Carnival, lovely. I used Harrowing, and I used Malum Malice. So that's what's on my eyes today, and I love it. Dark Carnival, it's that duochrome, yum. So pretty impressed with that palette so far. Again, which is, it wasn't expensive, so I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We are here to talk about the things I should have used instead. So let's do that. Okay. So this is an update for Let's Get Loose, which is a Project Pan created for the Fantastic Ladies collabs Facebook group by Rusol, and she wanted a project to use the loose items in your collection because we kind of forget about them. They're kind of a pain in the ass, if you know what I'm saying. Like, am I right? Like, they're kind of a pain in the ass to use sometimes. So we just kind of like, we'll do that later, whatever. They just sit there. They don't get used, they don't get love. She just kind of created a place for them to belong. So we're gonna pan those items in this project. So I'm gonna go through the items that I chose and show you what we have here. So y'all, let me just apologize ahead of time. Okay. I have this Maybelline color tattoo. It is in, what is it? Black Mystery is the name of the color. There is a little more than half in here, probably more than that, because there's probably some in the top bit above the sifter. But yeah, I have a long way to go with this, and that's because I didn't touch it. I have a lot of eyeshadows and a lot of projects, so I need to kind of pare that down, you know? So haven't touched it, sorry. Now this one is purple from Meech and Mia, and I totally could have used this one today. This one is halfway full, and there is a lot in the cap, but I think it's at the halfway mark. This is such a beautiful kind of like brown grungy purple. It's got a shift to it, so it's gorgeous. But I also have not used that, so we're just gonna, clearly having this project for those products is not working. But anyway, so I decided to just do 3 items if you guys weren't here last time for this project, because I want to do everything and I can't. So I'm just going with 3. So the third item is actually this powder from Becca. It is the like Hydra Mist setting powder. It's just like a sample that I got from Sephora. There is just the tiniest bit left in here. I will say this, I kind of enjoy the sifter on this guy. So anyway, it's not my favorite powder. I have better powders. You know, the Hydra part of this is long since gone. I don't know that it ever had it, because I didn't use it right away when I got it. But unlike the other 2 products in this project, I've been using this. I've used this probably 4 times. And I just don't use a lot of powder. So yeah, it's still here. It's still here. I'm hoping that this will be gone by next time, because there's just really not that much left. But again, I don't use a lot of powder, and I don't use this to set under my eyes. That is not happening. I use this Pat McGrath powder to set under my eyes. It's like so soft that it's almost a loose powder, but this has like lovely blurring power and it's such a nice powder. So this goes under my 50-year-old eyes, not this. So this I use on the rest of my face. So, and again, I only powder like very lightly. So it'll take a little while, but I'm hoping it'll be gone by next time. So anyway, that is it. That's everything. Those are all 3 of the things that I have in this project. So if you guys are interested in project panning or just makeup in general, or even fashion, because I have some videos regarding that coming up, then please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of those. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.